Hello, and welcome back to Wally's Tech World. My name is James, and today we will be reviewing the Redtiger F7 NP Dash Cam. This product can be ordered by using the link in the description below. Prices fluctuate daily and may vary from the price listed in the description. So let's get started. Today, I'm excited to dive into a review of the Redtiger F7 NP Dash Cam. This dual dash cam packs a punch with its amazing 4K Ultra HD front camera and 1080p rear camera, capturing crystal clear footage for both day and night driving. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality dash cam, the Redtiger has some fantastic features that make it a top contender. Starting with the video quality, the front camera records in 4K, offering sharp, detailed images that let you see license plates, street signs, and other crucial details. The rear camera is 1080p, so it's not only good for seeing what's behind you, but also helps you park with ease. Another standout feature is the superior night vision, thanks to the Sony STARVIS sensor. This advanced technology enhances visibility in low light conditions, so you'll get clear video footage even when it's dark outside. The Redtiger F7 NP also has an impressive 170-degree wide-angle view, allowing you to capture a broad view of the road and nearby lanes. This is particularly helpful for identifying any unexpected actions from other drivers. On top of that, the dashcam includes built-in GPS to record your location and driving speed, which can be beneficial for documenting your journey or in case of any disputes. One of my favorite features has to be the 24-hour parking mode. Even when you're away from your car, the F7 NP's parking mode can detect motion and automatically start recording. This provides added security, especially in high-traffic parking lots or areas where you want to ensure your vehicle's safety. Plus, with the Redtiger app, you can instantly access your footage on your smartphone, making it easy to review or share videos on the go. Here are the key features of the Redtiger F7 NP. 1. 4K Ultra HD front camera. Captures ultra-clear video in 4K, ensuring sharp images for recording crucial details like license plates and street signs. 2. 1080p rear camera. Provides full HD recording from the rear, allowing you to see what's behind you with ease. 3. Sony STARVIS night vision sensor, equipped with a Sony STARVIS sensor to improve video clarity in low light or nighttime conditions. 4. 170-degree wide-angle view, offers a broad view of the road with a 170-degree angle, capturing more lanes and road activity. 5. 24-hour parking mode, detects motion when parked and automatically starts recording for added security. 6. Built-in GPS tracking, records location and driving speed, providing additional context to your footage. 7. Smartphone app. Integration, easily access and manage your footage through the Redtiger app, viewable on your smartphone. 8. Loop recording. Automatically overwrites old footage so you never run out of storage space. 9. G-sensor for collision detection. Locks footage in case of a collision, preventing it from being overwritten. 10. Supports. Up to 256GB memory card, allows extended recording time with a large memory card, sold separately. 11. Easy installation, includes all necessary accessories for straightforward setup in most vehicles. Here's a quick summary of the Redtiger F7 NP Dash Cam's pros and cons. Pros: high-resolution video quality. The 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera capture detailed and sharp footage, enhancing visibility of key details. Enhanced night vision. Equipped with a Sony STARVIS sensor, it provides clear footage even in low light or nighttime conditions. 24-hour parking mode. Offers around-the-clock security by recording any detected motion when your car is parked. Cons: requires hardwire kit for parking mode. To enable continuous 24-hour parking mode, a separate hardwire kit is needed. Short rear camera cable for large vehicles. The included rear camera cable may be too short for larger vehicles, limiting installation options. App interface needs improvement. The app could be more intuitive, as some users find it challenging to navigate. Overall, the Redtiger F7 NP Dash Cam is a solid choice for anyone who values high-quality video, reliable night vision, and added safety features. With its 4K resolution and user-friendly app, it's perfect for drivers who want a comprehensive view of their journeys and peace of mind, even when they're away from their car. Current pricing is $123.47. Check the link in the description to get the most up-to-date pricing on this product. Prices fluctuate daily and current pricing may vary significantly from what is listed in this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment, and please subscribe to get updates on all our future videos. Let us know if you have any products or categories you would like us to include in a future video.